Samsung recently announced their flagship Galaxy S25 series, including S25, S25 Plus.
That's great, but is it waterproof? In short answer, no. But it has an IP rating, IP68, which is one of the highest ratings available for smartphones. But what does that actually mean? And does that mean you can use your phone underwater without any worries? Well, the IP rating stands for Increased Protection Rating, and it tells you how well your device can resist dust and water. The first number 6 means that the device is completely dust-proof. No dust particles can enter the device and damage its components. The second number 8 means the device can withstand water immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This means you can use your phone in the rain, in the shower, or even in the pool without worrying about any water damage. Well, there are some limitations and precautions that you need to know before jumping into the pool with the phone. The IP rating is based on laboratory tests under controlled conditions, so it may not reflect the actual performance of the device in real-life scenarios. For example, the water pressure, the temperature, the salinity may affect the water resistance of the device. Also, the IP rating does not cover damages caused by other liquids such as salt water, soap, alcohol, or even some beverages like coffee and stuffs like that. So if you drop the phone or if you spill coffee on your phone, you may not be covered by the warranty. Also, do not expose your device to water for longer than necessary. And also, do not open the device or repair it by yourself or a third party, as this may also compromise the water resistance. So yeah, you know that. And now, if you're wondering what is the difference between waterproof and water resistant, a water resistance means an item can resist some amount of water but not all of it, also for a certain amount of time. While waterproof means that the item is completely impervious to water, in no way the water can damage the device. However, there is no industry standard to classify a product as waterproof, so the bottom line is no smartphone or handheld electronic device is truly waterproof. There is always a risk of water damage, more specifically if your device is exposed to water for a longer period of time or under high pressure.
So ultimately, the IP rating of the Galaxy S25 Plus will only give you peace of mind somewhere close to water and nothing else. By the way, over the years of wear and tear, this seal will get hardened and this protection will also get reduced over the years. So keep that in mind as well.
And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.